How to unsend mail in Gmail. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So have you ever sent an email and immediately wished you could take it back? Don't worry, Gmail's undo send feature has got you covered. So here's how you can set it up. First of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for mail.google.com and then simply log into your Gmail account. So once you logged into your account, you're going to go ahead and tap on the settings icon. Tap on see all settings. Now inside settings, you'll find different kind of tabs. Now from here, navigate to general tab, scroll below and then you'll find an option that says undo send. You want to go ahead and check the box next to it. Next, simply choose how much time you want to undo an email after sending it. You can pick between 5, 10, 20 or 30. So go ahead and set it up. Once you set your cancellation period, scroll below and then you'll find an option that says save changes. So go ahead and tap onto it. Now that the feature is activated, simply go ahead and try sending an email after hitting send and you'll see an undo option in yellow box at the top of the screen. Click it to stop the email and edit it as you need it. So that's it guys. With Gmail's undo send feature, you can simply save yourself from email regrets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.